landscape seems to be evolving rapidly.
Well, let me tell you about Blakbot AI first because it's doing something truly remarkable in cultural education. It's using AI to make the rich history of the African diaspora accessible worldwide through multilingual capabilities and interactive learning experiences.
Hmm. How does it maintain accuracy when dealing with such complex cultural content?
They've actually built it with a strong focus on cultural authenticity, working directly with historians and cultural experts to verify information and provide proper context. But what's really clever is how it creates engaging learning experiences through interactive timelines and virtual exhibitions that help people understand the interconnections within diaspora culture.
That's quite different from traditional educational approaches. What other innovative tools did you find?
Oh, you're going to love this. There's one called Dream Bake that's essentially applying engineering principles to cake decoration. All right, we're talking about 3D renderings, structural integrity simulations, and even virtual reality experiences for cake designers.
Wait, structural engineering for cakes? That sounds incredibly specific.
Right? But think about those elaborate wedding cakes or complex theme designs. The AI analyzes weight distribution, temperature sensitivity, and structural support needs. It's like having a cake engineer in your pocket helping ensure that ambitious designs will actually stand up in real world conditions.
So, what else can this Dreambake system do beyond structural analysis?
It's pretty comprehensive. Everything from voice activated design assistance to trend forecasting. But what's really interesting is how it helps with sustainability by suggesting eco friendly alternatives for traditional decorating materials. They've even built in real time collaboration tools for decorators to work directly with clients.
Tell me about some of the other tools in this suite. You mentioned something about personal styling.
Yes, Styles AI is fascinating because it approaches personal style as a complex equation, considering not just fashion trends, but also practical elements like climate, lifestyle, and body type. It's designed to learn from your preferences and gradually refine its recommendations based on your feedback.
How does it handle the inherently subjective nature of personal style?
That's where it gets clever. Instead of dictating style choices, it acts more like a knowledgeable friend who understands both fashion principles and your personal preferences. It can even analyze your existing wardrobe to suggest new pieces that would work well with what you already own.
What about their business focused tool? How does that fit into this ecosystem?
Startup GPT is their entrepreneurship AI, and it's remarkably thorough. It goes beyond basic business advice to provide detailed market analysis, specific strategy recommendations, and even predictive modeling for potential challenges. It's like having a team of business consultants available 24/7.
And there was something about pet care as well, right?
Yes, Pet Guru. It's fascinating how they've approached pet care from multiple angles, not just basic advice, but specialized guidance for exotic pets, behavior analysis, and even emergency support systems that can help owners assess situations quickly and find nearby veterinary care.
Looking at all these tools together, what patterns do you see in their approach to AI development?
The most striking pattern is how they're using AI to enhance rather than replace human expertise. Each tool is designed to work alongside human knowledge and creativity, providing support and guidance while fostering community interaction and knowledge sharing. And
That's quite different from the typical narrative about AI replacing human jobs.
exactly. And what's particularly exciting is how these tools are democratizing access to expertise, whether it's through cultural education, design assistance, or business guidance. They're making specialized knowledge more accessible to everyone.
What challenges do you think these specialized AI tools might face going forward?
The biggest challenge will likely be maintaining that balance between automation and human input while ensuring accuracy and relevance. But I think success will depend on continuing to involve human experts and being responsive to community feedback and changing needs.
That's a thoughtful analysis of where this technology is headed.
Well, it's exciting to see AI being used to solve specific problems and enhance human capabilities in such targeted ways. I think we're just beginning to see the potential of what's possible when we approach AI development with this kind of focused, purposeful mind.